Boom. What's up, guys? Oh, sweet outdoors. Yes, we're on the back porch. Sorry, I had to work all day. Got off work, had to come home, do dinner, help the nephew with homework. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long 3 weeks. Finally got my truck back. Transmission's fixed. We are good to go. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to some camping weekends, some hunting weekends, some fishing, and all that good stuff that we were doing before. Can't wait. Speaking in things we've done before, we got a product review. Now, I know what I said, that we're going to lighten up on the product reviews. But this one took me by surprise. So let's get everything wrangled up, gathered up. Let's get everything ready. We'll be back. Alright, guys. So today's product review is this noise maker for the kids. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So I was doing some home projects over the weekend, and I had to replace the cylinder on my screen door. Went to Walmart, they didn't have any. Went to Tractor Supply, they didn't have any. Went to Harbor Freight, they didn't have any. I finally found it at Ace Hardware. But while I was in Harbor Freight looking around for this part, something caught my eye. It was pretty cool that I found this in Harbor Freight. It's the Gordon Emergency Survival Kit. 12-piece survival kit. Knife, spork, flashlight, and a box of goodies. Man, there was no way in hell I was going to pass that up. Let's get into this, guys. I can't wait to see this. Now, I did look at the tube for anyone else who had bought one, just to get an idea of what was in here. Now, a few of the things that are in here are okay. Some of the things that are in here I don't care for, but that's my opinion. Make yours your own. So, I hate these dang packages that they put this stuff in. Alright, that's that. Okay, here's the flashlight. That's where we're going to start because, well, it's in my hand. This is the flashlight. Adjustable beam, 3 different modes, and of course, if I'm not mistaken, there won't be any batteries in here. Oh, look at that. There is a battery. 1 AA battery. Now see, that's funny because one of the videos that I watched, it said that it didn't have a battery. So, I don't know. Maybe they just didn't know about the little thing inside that stopped it. But there's your strobe, bright, dim, strobe. Great little flashlight, keeping your truck, keeping your pocket, box, toolbox, wherever, purse, whatever. Great little EDC light. You've seen this light before. I've got like 3 of them. Good light. Little belt clip. Nice light. Let me move this knife so it's not confused with this other knife. Of course, it's a Gordon. Belt clip. It's pretty sharp. I like that. It's got the liner locking system. It's not assisted open, but it opens nice and easy. GK23, whatever that means, I don't know. Maybe that's the stainless steel survival knife is what it says. 4.9 inches closed, 8.2 inches open, 3.25 inch blade. Okay, here's what I don't like. You've seen my video for the glass breaker emergency tool, seatbelt cutter. This is being advertised as a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter. Take it how you will. I will not depend on this to cut the seatbelt or to break the glass, the window of a car. That's just me. You do what you want with it. But this is a decent knife to carry with you. It's got a real good grip. Pretty good handle on it. I mean, good feel to it. A little bit of weight to it. Not bad. And like I said, it's got a good blade on it. That's the knife. Here's your spork. Now this is a 3-in-1. Actually, it's more like a, it says 7-in-1. That's what it says, 7-in-1. We'll see about that. So 7-in-1. Here's the spoon, the spork. There's a knife, which has got a pretty decent blade. Your bottle opener, you got a couple of little wrenches on there. I believe this is like a wing nut wrench. I'm not sure. There's no real good description. Knife blade, whistle, bottle opener. Yeah, don't give much more of a description than that, really. So, and you know, a little plastic sheath, which is a whistle. So, not bad. Not bad. I might put that in my work bag. Just half. Now let's get into the box. Okay, I like the box. Hopefully it's watertight. I would hope it would be. We'll use our spork to open it because, well, I don't have fingernails. Now, here's something that's funny. That right there, you would think you'd be able to lock this box. Well, both of those are on the same side. So no, you can't. That's probably to hook up some kind of lanyard, something like that. Okay, into the box we have a 12-piece survival kit, instructions. It tells everything that everything does. Okay, it says rope hole, but they look like little wrenches, so I'm not sure. Spoon, fork, blade, scraper, bottle opener, whistle. That's your 7-in-1 multi-use spork. So, okay, let's get into the rest of it. Survival kit ain't complete without an emergency blanket. Nice Mylar blanket. Very good in any survival kit. Alright, and like I said, some of the stuff that's in here I don't really care for. Some of it is okay. One of the things that I do like comes with a survival bracelet. Okay, paracord. It's got a whistle. It's got a compass right there. And it's also got right here is a small ferro rod, and this is the striker. Excuse me. I've never had any luck with these small ferro rods like this. They may work, they may not. I don't know that I'd really want to put my life on it. I would definitely have a backup. I would not rely on this to be my only one. But you got some paracord. Usually this is around 9 to 10 feet of paracord. So definitely a good to have. This here is a must in any survival kit for anyone. You got to have fire steel. And this is a pretty decent little setup. That is a very nice freaking ferro rod. Look how big that thing is, man. That is nice. T-handle. Get a good grip on it. This here, I mean, you can tear this off. This ain't nothing more than a little piece of cardboard to protect it. And of course, I can't get it off. So we'll have to use our handy dandy knife to open her up. There we go. Much better. There's your scraper for your fire steel. This is the scraper here. There's your little bottle opener. It's even got like a little small ruler on there. Of course, you can see that's metric. On the other side, that's standard. In case in an emergency you need to measure 2 inches, you can get it done. And this has a coating on it. You need to scrape that coating off, and then you'll be able to, yeah, that'll do it. Very good, very good. I like that. Definitely a plus in your survival kit. All right, to go with that, they actually put a bellow. Look at that. You get your fire going, or you got some coals from your fire last night. You just take this here, blow on your fire, you know, blowing them coals. Get that thing heated back up, started back up, and just put her back down. That's perfect. That right there. Excellent. Excellent. So far, so good. So far, so good, guys. All right, let's see here. Got me another one. Survival pin, tactical pin. All right, it's great. This one's not as heavy as my other one, but these are nice. Got your, they call it a glass breaker. They got your DNA ports right here to collect DNA. If you're sticking somebody that's attacking you and everything, that'll collect DNA. Good clip on there to put on your belt, on your shirt, whatever, and it writes good. Aircraft aluminum, it's not real heavy. Real good self-defense pin. Definitely a good addition. All right, this next one here it's all right. It's good to put in this kind of kit, but you need something to go with it as well. This does you no good whatsoever by itself. This to me is just a little addition that they put in there. And we've seen this before. Put that on your belt. It's a water bottle holder. That's all it is. Hold you a water bottle. So you're going to have to take a water bottle with you. 20-ounce water bottle, Pepsi bottle, something like that. Something you can collect water, have drinking water. That's okay. It's not bad. Now this next one right here is a pretty good, this is a great idea for a survival kit. I would definitely upgrade this kit. Comes with a fishing kit. It comes with one hook, one little soft plastic jig body, and a little bit of fishing line. I am going to take this little thing right here to the next level. I'm going to put more hooks in here. I'm going to put more sinkers, maybe a couple little jig heads and some soft plastic bodies and stuff like that. I'm going to take this line off. I'm going to put braid line on here because it's a lot stronger. And then this will be the perfect little fishing kit for this little survival kit. Okay. Next, the last two items. One of them is okay. I don't really believe in them that much. I did do a video on them. I will put a link in the description for the video I did on this particular item, but I just personally don't care for them. Not with all the other options that are out there. You call it a wire saw. The correct name for this is a commando saw. You can either put your fingers in both sides and saw, or 2 sticks and do it like this. You're not cutting anything too much bigger than that loop right there. That's about all these are good for. They get too hot, they break. Not really sure about the quality on this one here. Looking at it, it doesn't look the best, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's broke a couple of pulls in. But take it as you will. Like I said, I don't care for these because there's too many other options out there besides this one. This last one I do not care for at all. To me, it's a gimmick. As far as I'm concerned, they could leave this out. The little credit card survival tool. As I said before, the only thing worth anything on this tool is your bottle opener. The knife on this one is fairly decent. You could probably use it for some small stuff. The saw, the same thing, but whatever you're cutting with this little bitty saw, you could break just as easy. Now if you're cutting notches and something, yeah, but your hands are gonna cramp like hell using this little thing. Lanyard hole, some wrenches. I think that's like a sundial type of thingamadoo. I don't know. Can opener. I don't pay no attention to these because I don't believe in them. I think they're garbage. It's a, like I said, this is a gimmick tool to say that there's another piece added in the survival kit. So I don't care for them. But they put it in there. You know, this, to me, this is something you give to a kid. Say, here's your survival tool when they're all excited. So that was it. I'm going to go with maybe a B+. I'll give it that. I'll definitely give it, I'd give it 2 thumbs up. Yeah, I'll give it 2 thumbs up because there are some nice things in here. The knife, very decent. Flashlight, paracord bracelet, survival blanket, the spork with a good sharp knife on the other end of it. I mean, the ferro rod is excellent. The bellow, fishing kit. I mean, you don't see any of these hardly with a fishing kit in them. Again, make this your own, guys. Like I've said before, make your kit your own. I could take this box right here and turn it into something a lot better than what's in here just by replacing, exchanging a few things. I don't know that I'd leave this in here, but it is a good idea. But if you're going to leave this in here, put a notepad in there. You know, some writing or rain paper, something like that. Get rid of that. No, you've got a pocket knife. You got your spork knife. Get rid of that cheesy ass tool. Maybe replace this with a, I mean, I don't know if you could probably find one to fit in here, but replace this with a life straw, something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I know it's been a while, but my truck's been broke down. It's the first chance I got. I'm doing my best, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Do me a favor real quick. Like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Hit that notification button over there so you're notified when I do drop a video. And let's see, check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Check us out on TikTok, The Sweet Outdoors. Merchandise is available, guys. Hats, t-shirts, and decals. Message me if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for some new videos. We're getting jacked this year. We're taking it to the next level. We're gonna boom this thing up. Be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people.